it going though?
Oh my god, it just said start by adding 1 egg.
Baby, you know that I miss you.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I try not to burn my apartment down. So I did a live stream and I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see, and you guys suggested for me to try not to burn my apartment down. Literally, that's what you guys commented. Try not to burn your apartment down, because I was cooking in the live stream and you guys had no faith in me to make some food. But I asked you guys what you guys wanted me to make for a video, and the most popular one was brownies. So we're gonna make some brownies. It's 7:21 right now, and the reason why I'm making brownies so late is because I put a sweet potato in the oven and I didn't realize it would take like an hour for it to cook, so I had to wait an hour. So the recipe I'm gonna be making is from BuzzFeed. If you guys haven't watched like BuzzFeed's breast brownie or whatever, go watch it I guess, or don't watch it. This video is better, I think. Since I just moved into this apartment, we don't really have that much baking supplies, so I'm gonna have to go out to the store and get some. So let's go. Where's my card? We got the card, we got the keys. Oh frick. Oh my god, I have an onion skin. Whatever, that's fine. Frick, my door is like broken. Fun fact, my door doesn't lock, so if you guys want to come kidnap me, come do it. I'm 15. I don't have my learners, so I can't drive. I can't, you know, be like those cool YouTubers who drive. There's a guy watching me. It's just 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and it's like it's not that much. So I'm just gonna buy flour from here so it's cheaper, so I don't have to buy a freaking whole bag. Well, this recipe also calls for a vanilla extract, but like, holy crap, who knew vanilla extract was so expensive? What is this? Okay, no, we're gonna buy this on sale one for $3.99. Update, I'm back at the apartment. I got all the stuff that we needed, except for a freaking pan of parchment paper, which the grocery store did not sell, which like, okay, it's a grocery store, I don't expect them to sell it, but like, I wish they sold it, because now I have to go take the train 16 minutes to a freaking Dollarama, go buy a pan, go buy some parchment paper, train back 16 more minutes. We're delayed by an hour. And then I got this iced coffee from McDonald's. It's usually better, but it kind of tastes like shit. Let's go on the train. Update. You know, I busted all the way to this Dollarama to realize it was closed. So now I'm gonna have to bus another 25 minutes to a Walmart. I'm gonna get home at like 9:30. I'm pissed. It is now 8:57. I'm finally at Walmart. Loving life. So I'm running because I just realized the last bus is at 9:12, but it's 9:05 right now, and it's a 4-minute walk, and I'm kind of pissed. I'm running literally as fast as I can because I don't want to miss this, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys better subscribe, like the video, comment, because I'm going through this for all of you guys. It's 9:43. I took 2 hours to get a pan, some parchment paper, and just a little bit of ingredients. Why the fuck am I making brownies at 10 o'clock? And why did it take me 2 fucking hours to go get all this stuff? I'm kind of pissed, you know, but it's fine. And why did all this stuff cost me $35? I just spent $35 on brownies. These better be good. You guys better have not skipped the ad, because I need to make this $40 back. I'm not wearing shorts right now, and I definitely feel like I should be, but you guys can't see anything, so I think it's fine. BuzzFeed.com. Here's exactly how to make the best brownies of your life. They better be. Because I did not just spend 2 hours going to get groceries for bad brownies.
Yes, I know, but like, these are actually the best brownies you're ever going to have. They're gooey. Go for something.
Okay, hold up. We got our pan here. And no, I'm not cleaning the kitchen for this video, but that shit. Oh my god, I have a candle. Let's make this romantic. I feel like I'm burning myself. Oh, okay. Here we have my pan, and it says to put butter in here first, and then put parchment paper, then put butter, which I don't really understand why you need to put butter first. So it says to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Holy f***, good, first step done. I haven't burned down the apartment yet. So it says to take like unsalted butter and like make sure it's softened, but like I don't know how to soften. Oh, this is hard. I take one of these, I'm gonna put some butter in it, and oh my god, focus. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a little bit and then hope it softens. In the microwave for literally like 10 seconds because I don't I did like nothing but what. So like the person that, oh shit, I haven't washed my hands. Good thing no one's eating these. You can't even see me washing my hands. Just trust I'm washing my hands. So it says that I need to take this and just grease it up, which is like kind of gross to me. Like, wow, I just love this. Feels so nice. Time to wash my hands again. Take this parchment paper that I bust like 30 minutes to go get. Are you kidding? Place it in. Frick. Are you kidding me? Are you? Oh my god, I'm pissed. You know what? I'm just gonna cut it. Look how much parchment paper that this took. I need to just line that thing. I have to grease it again. This is really just pissing me off. Done. Because we need to take the chocolate and like cut it up all fancy. I don't know if I can do that. I bet you the oven's already preheated after all that shit. We have this huge ass knife that I'm gonna use to cut chocolate, okay? Okay, so it says to use 8 ounces of chocolate, and I hope you guys know that's a frick ton of chocolate. 8 ounces of this chocolate, and this chocolate was like $8. How this lady cut the chocolate was like she went this way, and then she chopped it this way, and then she chopped it this way, so I'm gonna try to imitate that, but I don't know if I can. Oh my god, this is so hard. This is definitely not as easy as she makes it look. Oh my god, I look so weak. I hope you guys know I'm on my tippy toes right now. I'm actually sweating. Oh my god, my hand's shaking. Now I have to go this way. Okay, now this way is a lot easier because it's already cut up. Oh my god, I almost just cut my MacBook. So we got 1 chocolate bar done. I don't think you guys can really see, but I'm actually sweating. Oh. It's good. All my hands are all chocolatey. Time for chocolate bar number 2. Honestly, don't even care for a knife right now. I'm just gonna use my hands. So this is what my hand looks like right now. Good chocolate.
We went with the Dutch process.
Okay, so I tried to find some Dutch processed cocoa powder, but like, what the fuck is that? So I got some Fry's premium cocoa powder. So we're gonna use 1/4 cup of cocoa powder here. Okay. Oh my god, this is such a mess. Also, it says to add espresso powder, but I don't have that, and I just don't care for that, so we're not gonna add that. It says add butter to a small saucepan over medium heat and cook until the butter just becomes to a vigorous simmer, about 5 minutes, swirling the pan occasionally. Immediate pour lid. No, I'm not gonna take a pan and melt butter. There's something called a microwave for a reason, so that's what we're gonna use. Oh my god, this is so much butter. This is 1 cup, and this is 1 1/4 cup, guys. Okay, so not all of this is melted, so I'm gonna kind of mix it with a knife. Yep. I feel like it should be hotter. Okay, so now I'm supposed to pour this in here without burning myself. It says let sit for 2 minutes. So you gotta
Don't know if I'ma see you again. Go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night, how far would you go? I wanna see you work out for me, work out for me.
I have no idea where I put things in this house. Oh, frick. I have to climb. Ugh. Got it. Now we have the sugar, and it says to take 2 cups of this. 2 cups of granulated sugar. So now I'm adding brown sugar. Boom. All right. 2. Okay, and then it says 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I don't have kosher salt, so I'm gonna assume some table salt's gonna work. Oh my god, I bought more eggs because I thought we were out of eggs, but we're not out of eggs, and I'm kind of pissed, but you know what, it's fine. So 6 eggs. I can't do any cool tricks, by the way, so can't do that whole one hand thing. Should I try? Okay, no, we're just gonna go for it. Yeah! That was the first time I ever, oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god, I am basically a pro now. Gordon Ramsay who? Okay, so now it says to put it in this big bowl. So I'm gonna do that.
Start by adding 1 egg to the sugar just so you don't make a huge mess. Once you get it going though, you can...
Oh my god, it just says start by adding 1 egg. Oh, it's fine. Okay, and it also says to use an electric thing. I don't have an electric thing, so I'm gonna use a fork.
One thing that he did with his brownies was he would beat the living crap out of the eggs and sugar.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna play music while this is happening because holy crap, this is actually such a process. I have to beat this for so long until it turns thick and I have a freaking fork and this person's using a mixer. Oh my god. So my friend Langley just DM'd me and apparently you guys are DMing him saying,
Can you invite a date, please and thank you?
Haha, no, sorry, we're just friends. She just moved here, and we talked for a while, so I'm just showing her around.
This is upsetting.
what are you guys doing?
Moves like I'm the new James Brown. Yeah. Handshakes and
Why doesn't mine look like the video?
a single chain. Walk with a limp, it just means dancing. I'm dancing, getting drunk and take you on the road, have you rocking on my plane. And say that down the line, don't wanna rush the type of clothes in the
my
shimmy
arm
first. Babe, I'll be up so you know it's not really you can meet me at 5.
So this is what it looks like now. I think it's decent. I cannot go any longer. My arm hurts. So now it says to pour this in. Now I'm gonna pour this in. Apparently it's supposed to look super good. Yeah, no, this does not look. Oh my god, yeah, no, the chocolate is not melted, but you know what? It's fine.
Oh goodness, I can't believe we baked these, honestly. And you're going to sift the flour and the cocoa.
I don't have a sifter. So yeah, I don't have a sifter, so this may turn out like shit.
So just get the dry ingredients incorporated as quickly as you can.
Oh shit. And quickly as you can. I don't have an actual like spatula to fold it. Yeah, no, there's definitely lumps in there, but no lumps, no lumps. I feel like Lumpy something Space Princess from from Adventure Time. Just pour it in. Right? Pour that in. It says smooth it all out for 20 minutes. Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Done. I see you shiver with entisare. Patient.
That was horrible. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean up. Timer went off, but like I'm looking in the oven and it still looks like it's wet, so I'm gonna leave it in a little bit more because I'm pretty sure I got too small of a pan. This is what it looks like, but watch when you jiggle it, it's like way too freaking jiggly. Shit, okay, no, so I just realized that I'm supposed to take them out and like whack them on and then put it back in the oven for 20 more minutes. I feel like I didn't whack it enough.
Take the brownies out and slam them on.
Slam. 20 more minutes. So right now I'm live streaming and I'm filming a YouTube video at the same time. I don't know how this is gonna go, but right now they're getting behind the scenes. So follow my Instagrams, shameless self-promo if you guys haven't already. But my brownies are done. So we're gonna see how they turn out. If they're not BuzzFeed worthy, I don't know why the fuck I made these because it took me 2 hours to go get all the ingredients and then it took me a whole hour to prepare this shit. So this is like 4 hours in total. Holy crap, oh my god. Guys, this actually looks like decent. My brother and Brooklyn came because they saw, okay, so they saw my live stream and then they skirted over here and now they want brownie. So I let it cool for a bit now. Hope it's good. This is what the brownies look like. I feel like I should put them on a plate or something.
You gotta put on some pants.
You can't see my bum.
Maybe.
Here I have this knife. It's my sister's favorite knife apparently, and we're gonna use this to cut into the brownies. Are you guys impressed with this? Because I am, you know? This was definitely not worth $35 no matter how good it tastes. Oh my god, is this even cooked? I don't think this is cooked, guys. Definitely not cooked. We're gonna put this back in. And we're gonna throw this. How long have you put them in for? 40 freaking minutes. It's already been cooking for. I'm never making brownies again. By the way, frick, I was just gonna grab that with my bare hand, guys. Okay, I hope it's cooked now. I feel like I should take a fork and stick it in there, see if it's cooked. It's still wet. I just don't understand. I've been cooking this thing for 10 years now. Oh my god, why is it so wet in the middle? I'm so confused. Oh, this is a bad idea. I don't suggest making these brownies. So it is currently 12:52. If you guys don't remember, we started making this at what, 9:50, and it's now 12:52. So it's been 3 hours and it's been cooking for like an hour and 30 minutes it was cooking for, and then we took it out because, okay, the middle is like still wet, but I could care less because I'm not gonna wait any longer for this to cook because my brother and my sister came over. Almost my sister. That's a blank. My brother and his girlfriend came over here just for brownies, and they've been waiting like an hour now. So we're gonna reveal these brownies. So the middle is still like hella wet. But that's fine, we're gonna eat the edges. The edges of the brownies are the best things ever anyways. I don't wanna wash any more dishes, so we're gonna use a paper plate. I know it's not very friendly, but deal with it. I'm never making brownies ever again. All right, so now we're gonna do a taste test. So first, let's try the outer edge. Good, but maybe a little rough.
It's chewy.
It's very chewy. Okay, the texture of this brownie is good. When I took it out at the 20 minutes, they told me to like hit it so that it would like crack, if you can see. Not hit it, like slam it. And it looks very beautiful. And it looks like this. Oh yeah, in the BuzzFeed video, they showed it what it looked like and shiz like that. It's definitely wet. I think I need a little dry, cool a little more. But I really like the outer edges because it's actually cooked. Okay, so I kind of need to end this video now because I think I have like an hour of footage, more than that. But you can see my live stream in the back. Out of 10, I would rate these brownies, the outer edge, I would rate them a 10. The inside, rate them like a solid 5. The process of making these brownies is a solid 1 out of 10. I mean, they taste good, but it was not worth the running around getting the ingredients and everything. Comment down below what you guys want me to make next. Follow my social medias on the screen right here. But until next time, peace.